In today's video, I'm gonna to create this type of login and sign up screen. You can see it. So let's start the video. So hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna to teach you about spaced by. So what does the spaced by will do? So let's suppose a column has 5 items. Spaced by provide equal spaces for all these 5 items. So this is theoretical knowledge. So let's implement these things. I already created a composable name spaced by learning and also created a column and passed modifier.fill max size, and I already created this preview section. So in column I created 5 text: hello, C, D, E. I arrange all these tags in center, so I provide horizontal alignment, alignment.center. So you can see it. So in previous section you can see it what the design we will obtain. In every text item I need to provide 30 dB spaces. So first option is, that is so simple. You need to provide a spacer and set it height and set spacer height to 30 dB. First option is to add spacers. You might notice it that I added 4 times spacer. So to avoid these things I simply use spaced by. I simply erased spacer and here I simply provide vertical arrangement dot spaced by and 40.dp. means every item that are present in column have a 40 dp space. So you can see it, hello, and B have 40 dp space, and then C, D, E and also. So hello guys, in today's video I am gonna to teach you about space between. In previous video I teach you spaced by. So let's start the video. So first I create a composable, name it spaced between learning. Space between learning. Between learning I simply create a column and provide a modifier dot fill max size. In this column I simply write 2 text A, text B. So I delete this spaced by learning because this is our previous. In this session I basically deal with space between learning. Spaced between learning. There is mistake in learning spelling, so I will zoom it. You can see it, there is 2 text A and text B. So let's suppose in UI I want text A is top and text B is bottom here. So to do that I simply create a vertical arrangement dot space between. You can simply see it. I will zoom it. Text A is top and text B is bottom. So let's suppose I added another text, that is text C. So these items are not visible, so I simply align in center, horizontal alignment of center horizontally. Yeah, you can see it. So what the space between will do? Basically, space between will provide equal spaces for screen. We divided all the items that are in column in equal parts. स्क्रीन की हर एक एलिमेंट को इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देते हैं इक्वल। So what the space between will do? So what the space between will do? Basically space between will provide equal. Basically space between will provide. So space between is used to position the first and last element at the edges while distributing equal spaces between the remaining element. So in simple language, let's suppose AB have 50 centimeter, then BC have also 50 centimeter, or let's suppose I add another item, that is item D. So let's suppose AB have 10 centimeter spaces, then BC have also 10 centimeter and D also have 10 centimeter. So I hope you will understand it. So first I am gonna to create login screen. So I simply create a file, name it login screen, and then create a simple composable, name it login screen. To get this type of simple composable boilerplate, you can simply type COMP and then press enter. You got this type of boilerplate. So in login screen, I create a simple column and then pass it to modifier. Here I create 2 extra columns. I already added 2 icons, login icons and sign up icon. You can see it. In first column, I simply create an image and then painter resources and pass this r.double login icon. Yeah, login icon, and content description, that is login icon. And first I built my preview. Let's first I built my preview. In previous section you are confused what is this teaching auth 2 theme. Basically it is the name of my project, teaching auth 2. Basically the theme of your app will be default generated according to your project name. So let's suppose if you name your project Iron Man, then your theme will be Iron Man theme. So first thing I need to set this theme show background true. It will show our background, and then in login screen I set up my modifier dot fill max size dot padding. So when I set up my navigation, I will show you why I am not passing modify.fillMaxSize padding here. So I think image is too, I think image size is too small. So first thing I need to set up my image. I will pass 40% of my screen. So first I get configuration, local configuration dot current image height configuration dot screen width dot 0.4 dot dp fill max width dot height image height. I will explain this code. Wait, first my previous build and then I will explain it. Yeah, you can simply see it. 2 lines of code means the image height is 40% of your screen. Basically, these 2 lines of code will automatically adjust the image size when your phone screen size will be changes. Let's suppose you are using this app in a tablet, the image size will automatically 40% of your tablet. I next is that is login text. And the thing that is I need to provide all this item in center modify no vertical horizontal alignment dot center horizontally. Yeah, you can simply see it. I set font size that is 30 sp, font weight dot bold. I need to provide some spaces between this image and login text, so I simply provide a vertical arrangement dot spaced by 12, I think 20 dp 16 dp is best. You can see it, the image and the login text, there will be a 16 dp gap. In second column, this is input field. Here I need to define my input fields. I need to create some I need to create a package, name components, and name it a custom outline text field. Custom outlined text field. Create a custom outline text field. Outline text field. Here I am going to create a outline text field, and we need to pass all these items. First item is value. On value change, so I need to pass this on value change modifier label. Wait, when I write so wait guys, when I complete the writing code, I will explain it what the code means. Text label, and then I can simply create a custom outline text field. So I simply call my custom outline text field and pass value on value change and modifier dot fill max width dot label name enter your enter email. You can see it. Text field will be created, outline text field will be created, another will be password. So password value on value change modifier dot fill max width label enter password. Here I provide spaces. So vertical arrangement, I think vertical alignment will not good. I simply provide a spacer, modifier, modify dot film, yeah, what this will happen, 20.dp. Wait a second, my previous building. Yeah, you can see it. Enter your email, enter a password, new table state of, and simply pass a string null password by remember, new table state of, and I need to import these, yeah, and simply I pass it here, email dot password is equal to it. And another thing, that is created to button. On click, what will happen when we click this button? Nothing will be happen. Text continue, modifier dot fill max width. I need to provide some spaces, so I think 30 is best. You can see it. I change button shape, material theme dot shape dot large. If I will show you, you can see the corner of button will be changed. Wait a here. And the thing, that is forget password, text button. What will happen? Text button, this is for forget password. Text forget password, I need to align this. You can see it. Our UI design is complete. Need to create no account sign up. Text no account. I need to pass init row, text no account, text sign up, text decoration dot underline. Provide some spaces, modifier dot width will be 10 dp. Alignment, I need to align it, that is vertical horizontal alignment. Alignment dot center horizontally. Arrangement dot center First I need to provide modifier, modifier.fill max width. Yeah, you can see it. I need to change font weight of this no account text. Font weight dot medium. I think semi bold is best. Yeah, you can see it. So let's maintain the first code. I here copy this lines of button code and delete it, and simply paste it here. This will happen. I need to delete this vertical arrangement. I will manually handle it. Arrangement dot space between. Yeah, you can see it. No account sign up. This will align in bottom, and here the image, and you can see it, the image and login text. I need to provide some spaces, so I provide modifier dot height 20.dp. Yeah, I need to add this. I need to add some spaces. This email and login text field. So you can see it. Our login screen will be completed. So hello guys, in today's video I am going to create my sign up screen. In previous video I completed my login screen. So let's start the video. So I simply create a Kotlin file, name it sign up screen, and simply name it sign up screen. In this sign up composable, I simply create a composable, and then I create image and pass and use painter resources r double dot create account. I already added this icon, and provide content description, sign up screen icon. So sign up screen icon. So first thing, I need to provide height of this image. So I set 40% of my, I add 40% of my screen size. So configuration, local configuration dot current, well, image height, then configuration dot screen width dot 0.4 dp. So this 40% of screen size, I will set it to my image height, modifier dot height, modifier dot fill max width dot height, that is image height. And there is I need to create a sign up text sign up, font size I need to set 30.sp, and font weight dot bold. And I set it alignment, text align dot center, and let's create our input field. So let's create our state of our input text field. So first thing is name, that is remember mutable, state of, then pass email, then password. Confirm password. By remember mutable state of. I simply import these things. I simply create another column and provide a base column. So I copy it and create a column. This is our first column and this is our second column. In main column I simply provide modifier, vertical arrangement dot space between. In second I simply create our custom outline text field. Custom outline text field will take this is our name field, and then email, and then password, and then confirm password. I will set it modifier dot fill max with label, enter name, and simply and like this I simply create all this my text field, like value, email, on value change email is equal to 8, modifier dot fill max with dot last label, that is enter password. Advanced UI. So Sony, come to our advanced UI, then I will show you what is that. Enter password. Sorry, here enter email, enter password, and then confirm password, value confirm password, on value change confirm password is equal to 8, modifier dot fill max with label, enter confirm password. My these 4 outline text field will be created, and then I simply I need to pass some spaces. So here I simply use vertical arrangement dot spaced by, and provide 20 dB dot, and provide equal 20 dB spaces for all these items. And in button I add some extra 10 dp. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30 dp space 10.dp, and here I simply create a button on click. Basically this bracket means whenever you click this button nothing will be happen. Let's suppose if you want to click this button and navigate to a next screen, then you need to define your logic inside these two brackets. So I simply modifier dot fill max width. I simply shape material theme dot shape dot large. If you not was so if you not in place of material theme spaces dot large, you can simply use rounded corner shape dot 10.20 dp. 10 dp. So I am not gonna to use the rounded corner shape. In place of rounded corner shape I simply use material theme, and that text create account. So let's build our preview. So I simply write my preview code. I simply write my preview code, and then here I write my sign up screen. First thing I define my theme, then our sign up screen. Let's build our preview. So let's build our preview. I need to set background of my preview. Yeah, you can see it. Our sign up screen UI is completed. If you want to learn complete authentication using Jetpack Compose, Dagger and Hint, and follow clean architecture rules, you can check out my this Udemy course. You can simply go to Udemy and click search button and type complete authentication using Jetpack Compose, and then search it. And buy this course. In this course, I will teach full production level code of email authentication and Google one-tap sign-in. So you can check out it if you want to learn more about authentication. This is basically complete authentication. Forget password, reset password, and all these things using Firebase. So thank you.